Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide international users through gift card activation step by step so you can avoid common issues when using cards across different countries. Step 1. Check regional compatibility. Before activating the gift card, confirm that it is valid in your country. Many major brands issue region-locked gift cards that only work in specific countries or currencies. Step 2. Confirm activation at purchase. If the card was bought in a physical store, make sure it was properly activated at checkout and verify this on the receipt. For online purchases, check your confirmation email to ensure the card is active and ready to use. Step 3. Read the instructions on the card or email. International users should pay close attention to redemption rules, supported websites, and any location restrictions listed by the brand. Step 4. Prepare the required card details. You will usually need the gift card number and PIN. Scratch the security strip carefully or open the digital card details without damaging or exposing the code. Step 5. Activate or redeem the card on the official website. If activation is required, visit the brand's official site, select the correct country or region if prompted, and enter the card details exactly as shown. Step 6. Verify the balance in the correct currency. After activation, check your balance online to confirm the amount and make sure it displays in the supported currency for your region. Step 7. Use the card safely. Keep your card details private and save your receipt or confirmation email until the balance is fully used, especially when dealing with international customer support. By following these steps, international users can activate gift cards securely and avoid regional restrictions or errors. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future guides.